In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to PMDC Online Lecture Room. I'm Sayyida Warda Shah, Lecturer English, Peshawar Model Degree College, Dalazak Road, Peshawar. Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss conjunctions. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They are closed class of words that link words, phrases, and clauses to create larger grammatical units. For example, in a sentence, example number 1, Saira and Myra are friends. In this example, the conjunction and is connecting two nouns, joining two nouns together. Saira and Myra are noun and is conjunction. In example number 2, he will drive or fly. In this sentence, the conjunction or is connecting two verbs, is joining two verbs, drive and fly. In example number 3, it is early but we can go. In this sentence, the conjunction but is connecting, joining number of words together. Okay, by saying close class, it means that we cannot add more conjunction to it. There are already enough. As we all know that parts of speech are divided into two classes. One is open class, another is closed class. We can add, if it is open class, we can add more words to it. But when it is closed class, we cannot add more conjunctions, more words to it. So conjunction belong to the closed class. That's why we cannot add more conjunction to it. There are enough already. I hope it's clear. Now we are going to discuss types of conjunctions. There are three different types of conjunctions: the coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. We are going to discuss each of them one by one in detail. Let's start with coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are conjunctions which connect two equal parts of a sentence. The most common ones are and, or, but, so, which are used in the following ways. And is used to join or add words together. For example, in the sentence, they eat and drink. Or is used to show choice or possibilities, as you can see in the sentence, he will be here on Monday or Tuesday. But is used to show opposite or conflicting ideas. For example, in the sentence, she is small but strong. So is used to show result. For example, in the sentence, I was tired, so I went to sleep. Coordinating conjunctions are 7 in number and they are easy to remember if you can just think of the acronym fanboys. F is for conjunction for, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. Coordinating conjunctions are short, simple words. They have only 2 or 3 letters. There is an easy way to remember them, their initial spells. As you can see on your screens, fanboys. For explains reason or purpose, and adds one thing to another, nor used to present an alternative negative idea to an already stated negative idea, but shows contrasts, or used to show choice or possibilities, yet introduces a contrasting idea that follows the preceding idea logically. So indicates effect, result, or consequences. I hope it's clear. Now we are going to discuss subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connects two parts of a sentence that are not equal. A subordinating conjunction connects an independent clause to a dependent clause. Now, what is dependent clause and what is independent clause? Dependent clause, a group of words that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Independent clause can stand alone as a complete sentence. Here are examples of subordinating conjunctions. I'm staying in because it's snowing. She will always support me whether I succeed or not. I started writing when I was 8. I did not have so many friends until I was admitted to college. We are going out to eat after we finish taking the tests. So in these sentences, subordinating conjunctions because, when, whether, when, until, after are connecting independent clause with dependent clauses. Here is a list of subordinating conjunctions commonly used. After, before, unless, although, if, until, as, since, when, because, then, while, how, once, that, though, where, and why. Now we are going to discuss the last one, the last type of conjunction, that is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunction that work together. For example, both Farid and Jawad are good swimmers. In this sentence, both and are correlative conjunctions. Most common correlative conjunctions are both and, whether or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, not but, so that, rather than. Here are examples of correlative conjunction. I want either the pink dress or the purple one. I will study both English literature and history. Not only Maryam but also Zahra is from Italy. He must do it whether he likes it or not. I would rather go out than stay at home. Neither George nor his brother is very tall. So they all are in pair, either or, both and, not only but also, whether or, rather than, neither nor. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.